Look at this. One of these is from gardeningexpress.com and one is not. They're both sold, apologies, as container grown, but I would argue this is what a container grown plant actually looks like. Really dense in there. It's been happy in there and has put out its roots right to the edge. We're going to need to break that up before we bed it in here. And this one is more was in a container at the point of delivery, but actually we can see in here all of this was loose. It's just been root balled. Look, there the roots have been chopped off, and then there's this wild growth last minute, and you can see the size of what we're going to be planting. Hope it works out all right. They're under guarantee, but gardeningexpress.com, a little bit naughty. Won't be ordering again from you unless this is a hiccup in your supply. I'll be going with these guys for, I can't remember who they were. I might put a link in the description if I remember. But yeah, beware.